Hello everyone, I've gotten a box from RJ Crafts. So as you can see, I haven't opened it yet. So we will see what's in here. But I try to order things that will that I'll use in future videos. And to be perfectly honest, I don't remember what I ordered. Nicely packed. This is my packing slip. Because this has the names of the things that I got. Of course, I got some Tootsie Rolls, my favorite. She always includes something good. This is some cutters. Oh, this goes with let's see which one is probably in here. It's a Celtic Tree of Life, and it's a cutter set and silkscreen. There it is. This is the silkscreen of the Tree of Life. Isn't that cute? All different colors, and it's got the Celtic knots in it. I really love the Celtic style. And then these are the cutters that go with these different Celtic Tree of Life. So there's one thing. I got these Celtic Crosses, which I absolutely love, and I got the cutter for that. I got the set. So this is cutter number 264, and then the Celtic Crosses silkscreen. I'll get it out in a minute. And then this I just thought was adorable. These are Tiki mask with the cutter. And there's something I've been wanting to do and haven't wanted to mold the different tikis. So with this, I can use the silk screens instead. So that's going to be fun. And then I got another silk screen called Music to My Ears. And it's a border stamp. And I know you can see it in there, but let me take it out. So you can see this side. You see there's little, it looks like piano keys or music notes or whatever, but it's also got just an awesome swirl design. And I thought this would look really good on a bracelet, a cuff bracelet. So there you go. This is my last stash from RJ Crafts. I'm so excited. I just hope I have time to get into my craft room and do the tutorials that I want to do with them. So, I wanted to explain to you, I've had a lot of people complain about the thickness of the cutters, the plastic cutters, and Rhonda has worked really hard and has narrowed this piece here. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's very narrow now. So you get a better cut. than with their previous cutters. So if you've held back ordering because you didn't like the way you had to do the cleanup on the cutters, then don't hold back anymore, because this has totally changed how the cutters work. See, this is a set of 5. I don't think I showed you. There's 3 facing this direction and 2 facing this direction. But the cutter part of it is much thinner than her previous cutter. She hears you. All you need to do is let her know if there's a design that you want. Let her know and she'll do. But look how thin that is. It's really, really thin. So you should get a good cut with these. But anything that you would like to see, just shoot her a message on Facebook or whatever. Like I would like to have a silk screen for hot dogs. Or I would like to have a cutter for hummingbirds, which she already has. But I probably shouldn't even try to get those back in that bag. But go ahead and give her a shout out. Let her know that you've seen the new cutters and that you really like them. So, hope you like this. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.